Okay, good morning, students. Today I am Mukesh Singh Bagel. I teach you a subject name Theory of Machine, and today we will discuss about the topic gears, and in the gears we will discuss about some numerical of the gears. Here I write a numerical on the base of gear. First, I I learn the numericals. A pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth. I repeat, a pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth. The profile of the gear is involute with 20-degree pressure angle, 12 mm module and 10 mm addendum. Find the length of path of contact, arc of contact and the contact ratio. So here we will find out the value of length of path of contact, arc of contact and the contact ratio. Okay, so I repeat the numerical. A pinion having 30 teeth, एक पिनियन है उसके पास 30 टीथ हैं. ड्राइव से गियर हैविंग 80 टीथ, दूसरा जो गियर है उसके पास 80 टीथ हैं. ओके, द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द गियर इज इन्वॉल्यूट. जो प्रोफाइल है गियर है वो कैसा है, इन्वॉल्यूट है विथ 20 डिग्री प्रेशर एंगल. ओके, तो इसमें फाई की वैल्यू दे रखी है, दैट इज 20 डिग्री. हियर 12 mm मॉड्यूल, तो यहाँ पे मॉड्यूल की वैल्यू दे रखी है, वह कितनी है, 12 mm है. एंड 10 मिलीमीटर एडेंडम. ओके, यहाँ पर 10 मिलीमीटर एडेंडम की वैल्यू दे रखी है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमें इन सब की इन वैल्यूज़ की हेल्प से, ओके, दीज आर द गिवन वैल्यूज़, इन वैल्यूज़ की हेल्प से वी विल फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, arc of contact and the contact ratio. So let's start the solution of this numerical. So first write down the given values as a culture. First write down the given values. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे given values लिखेंगे. Okay, write down the given values. तो क्या क्या वैल्यूज गिवन है हमारे पास. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन हियर स्मॉल टी यानी कि पिनियन के जो टीथ्स हैं उनको हम स्मॉल टी से नोट कर रहे हैं. स्मॉल टी इक्वल टू 30 टीथ्स हियर. नेक्स्ट कैपिटल टी यानी कि हम जो गियर है उसके जो टीथ्स हैं उस कैपिटल टी से नोट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज इक्वल टू 80. ओके, नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास प्रेशर एंगल. वी नो दैट द प्रेशर एंगल इज डिनोटेड बाय फाई. किसे नोट करते हैं, फाई से नोट करते हैं, दैट इज इक्वल टू 20 डिग्री. ओके, एंड हियर एम क्या है यहाँ पर, मॉड्यूल की वैल्यू कितनी दे रखी है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 12 mm. मॉड्यूल है हियर इज 12 mm. ओके, सो दीज आर द गिवन वैल्यूज एंड वन वैल्यू आल्सो गिवन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडेंडम. एडेंडम इक्वल टू 10 mm. एडेंडम की वैल्यू कितनी दे रखी है, 10 mm. ओके, सो राइट डाउन दीज वैल्यूज. ओके, इन वैल्यूज को आप लोग नोट करते जाओ. यदि आप नोट करोगे तभी इसको सॉल्व कर पाओगे. तो राइट डाउन ऑल दी वैल्यूज हियर एंड लेट स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वी विल डिटरमाइन द लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. तो राइट हियर length of path of contact. Length of contact. Okay, so first determine the length of path of contact. We have some formulae. We know that pitch circle radius of pinion, pitch circle radius of pinion So pinion what is the formula of pitch circle radius of pinion? That is equal to r is equal to yes, r equal to small r equal to m into capital small t, because we are taking here pinion. तो pinion के लिए हमने small t लिया है, that is the number of teeth here, t by 2. We know that what is the value of m? M is equal to 12, t is equal to 30 divided by 2. So it's come 180 mm. It's equal to 180 mm. Okay. So what is the next value? Next is pitch circle radius of the gear. Next is pitch circle radius of the gear. Write down here pitch circle radius of gear. That is capital R equal to module into capital T by 2. So write down the value of capital small m. We know that small m is equal to 12, capital T equal to 80 and divided by 2. So it's come 480 millimeter. So these are the value of pitch circle radius of the pinion and the pitch circle radius of the gear. We know that the formula when we discuss about the pitch circle radius R is equal to module multiplied by number of teeth divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula of pitch circle radius. And what about pitch circle radius of gear? Gear is equal to R is equal to m into capital T by 2. So we know that the value of m is equal to 12 and capital T is equal to 80. So this is the formula for radius of pitch circle of the pinion and the gear. Okay, so next is radius of addendum circle of gear. So we know that radius of addendum circle of pinion, we know that when we determine the addendum circle radius, so that is RA equal to R plus addendum. So this is the formula for when we determine radius of addendum circle. So this is the formula for radius of addendum circle of pinion. So write down the values of all the. So here small r is equal to, we know that I find out the value of small r, which is equal to 180, plus addendum is given, so addendum is equal to 10 mm, so it is equal to 190 mm. This is equal to 190 mm. This is the value of radius of addendum circle of pinion. As same as we will determine the value of radius of addendum circle of gear. As we know that radius of addendum circle of gear, radius of addendum circle radius of addendum circle of gear we RA is equal to RA equal to r equal to r plus addendum we know that the value of r we already determined, that is equal to 480 plus addendum. We know that addendum is equal to 10 mm, so it is equal to 490 mm. This is equal to 490 mm. Okay, so next step is here we will determine the length of path of approach. As you know, when we determine the value of length of path of contact, so length of path of contact is the addition of length of path of approach and length of path of recess. So first we determine the length of path of approach. First we determine length of path of approach. Length of path of approach. Path of approach. So as we know, when we describe the derivation of length of path of approach and length of path of recess, we taken some values, that is Kp. Kp determine the length of path of approach. So here we can write here Kp equal to capital Ra का square minus r square cos square phi minus r sin phi Okay, so this is the formula of the length of path of approach. So write down the formula here and also write down the values which we are determine here. So Ra is equal to, as you know that Ra equal to, put the value of Ra equal to 490 mm. So write down here 490 mm square minus r 480 square cos square phi. As you know that what is the value of phi equal to 20. So cos square 20 minus r is equal to 480 sin 20 degree. So determine the value of Kp to solve this equation and find out the value of Kp. Okay, as you know that when we determine the value of Kp, we write here, okay, yeah. And what is the value of Kp? When we determine the equation Kp equal to 27.3 mm. Write down here 27.3 millimeter. Okay, this is the value of length of path of approach, as same as we will determine the length of path of recess. So write down here length of path of recess, which is equal to PL equal to, as you know formula, length of path of recess, PL equal to small ra, because this is the equation for pinion. R square cos square phi minus r sin phi Okay, so write down all the values here. PL equal to, as you know that we are determining all the values RA. As you know, RA equal to 190 square minus small r is equal to 180 square cos square phi. As you know, cos square phi equal to 20 degree, right here 20 minus, again write down 180 sin phi equal to 20 degree, write down all the values. After solve these values, okay, there is a PL equal to length of path of recess equal to PL equal to 25 mm. This is equal to 25 mm. So we are determining all the values, length of path of approach, length of path of recess. So as we know that what is the value of length of path of contact? Length of path of contact, length of path of contact as you know that length of path of contact is denoted by as per the derivation, and in derivation, as I discuss all the values of what is KL, what is KP, what is PL, so you can understand about these all values. That is KL is equal to KP plus PL. KP is the length of path of approach, PL is the length of path of recess. Add these values. After adding the value of length of path of approach and length of path of recess, KP equal to 27.3 mm plus PL equal to 25 mm, which is equal to 52.3 mm. 52.3 mm, which is equal to 52.3 mm. So what is the next target? Next target is to determine the arc of contact, length of arc of contact. Okay, so what is length of arc of contact? We will determine here the value of length of path of contact. After determining this, the second target is length of arc of contact. So as you know, the formula length of arc of contact is equal to length of path of contact divided by cos phi. Write down the formula. Length of arc of contact equal to length of path of contact divided by cos phi. Okay, so put the value of length of path of contact, which is equal to, write down here, which is equal to 52.3 divided by cos 20. So what is the equation? What is the final value? The final value is equal to 55.66 mm. Okay, this is about length of arc of contact. Okay, and the last is to determine contact ratio. Then what is the formula of contact ratio? Next is contact ratio. So as you know that to determine the contact ratio, we also know that what is the circular pitch. We know that circular pitch is equal to pi into m. So as per the formula of contact ratio is equal to length of arc of contact divided by circular pitch PC, circular pitch. Okay, so as you know, what is the circular pitch? Circular pitch PC is equal to pi into module. Okay, so as you know that pi into module कितना है 12 है, तो what is this value? This will become 37.7 millimeter. Okay, so write down, put the value here. So contact ratio equal to equal to length of arc of contact. Length of arc of contact is equal to 55.66 and circular pitch PC equal to 37.7. So it is equal to, final value is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 may be written as 2. So 2 is the final value. Okay, so in this numerical we are determine here 3 cases. Case number 1 is length of path of contact, case number 2 is arc of contact, and case number 3 is contact ratio. Okay, I hope you can understand how we can determine length of path of contact, contact ratio, and arc of contact. Okay, so it is sufficient for today's lecture. If anyone have any problem, we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you very much.